We have not seen the consumer pull back. What we have seen is the consumer looking for value, and one of the things that we're known for is value. They are still buying what they want to buy, though.
And what are they buying primarily, Ken? Is it kids' sports? Is it hunting? Where's the big surprise been?
Well, it's across the whole store. What we're seeing is people are looking for an experience. Team sports, kids' sports is still very strong. Camping has been really good. Outdoor grilling, people are looking at that. Water sports, we sold a lot of pools this summer. So people are looking to have fun.
They are. And there's been so much question about, I hate the term back to normal because I know you're in the Midwest. I spent the summer in the Midwest and been there for a couple of years. And a lot of people they never locked down. I mean, the reality of America is that a lot of the country never stopped living as they did before for the most part. But when we talk about this idea of back to normal in a way, do you see consumer habits changing, or have they remained fairly consistent and will so?
Well, I think one of the things that we are seeing is a trend towards health and being outdoors. And so that is something that we obviously sell. And so people are into fitness, into experience, and that fits with us. But what we've seen actually this year is the timing get to normal. The baseball season started when the baseball season was supposed to start. School started when school was supposed to start. And the football season when football season was supposed to start. So the normalization, if you will, is the timing getting back to what it used to be. And the activities, as you said, in our markets was there. It was just the timing was messed up. And now everybody's back to, quite frankly, normal.
Well, that's good to hear. How sensitive is your consumer to the price of gasoline?
I think everybody's sensitive to it, but people are still going to do what they want to do. And so the kid's still going to play soccer or baseball. The family's still going to barbecue. People who are like to fish are going to go fishing. They may not spend as much on it. And again, we offer a broad selection of assortment. So they may not buy the highest price bat, but they'll buy a lower price bat for the child, or they may not buy the most expensive cleats. They'll buy some less expensive cleats. And our assortment allows the customer to do that.
Yeah. And do you feel that there was some big pop from COVID stimulus, whether or not that's just direct stimulus, whether it's the $700 billion in forgiven PPP loans? Was there some sort of artificial boost to your business that you are concerned about having to comp with, Ken?
Well, there's no question that there was, and it wasn't the PPP loans. It was the direct cash that people got, and that's one of the reasons why we're down this year to last year, because of this. We were up against the stimulus the last couple of quarters. That said, we're still up over 35% over where we were in 2019. So the trend of people looking for experience, living healthy, exercising, those type of things, that's moved up and that's still there. But it's down a little bit from the stimulus money.
All right, Ken Hicks, the CEO of Academy Sports and Outdoors. Stock's done well. Congratulations to you and your investors today. It's been a good day. And by the way, you're up on the year, which not a lot of companies can say that, Ken. Thank you. Appreciate
Thanks, Brian.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.